Okay, I am running that generator, which is running that. The internet. Have this air conditioner on. You hear the hum of the compressor. I actually have microwave. I think microwave is what's going to trip it. But I have refrigerator. And it's running. Alright, let's see here. Here goes nothing. Whoa. It's working. Boy, it loaded it up. Alright. I'm gonna see if we need to cook something. Whew. That was close. But anyway, see Stargate's plant. This actually back feeds into the garage. You can actually see them flickering with the power. I guess the LEDs don't like that. All that other stuff has transformers. So anyway. And we should not have TV anymore. Or refrigerator. Or window air conditioner. Nope. Oh, that stream. You know what? That's on the regular power. No internet. No air conditioner. So, test successful. Alright. So we got a room to hang out in. And internet and TV and refrigerator and microwave. I'm done. So anyway, I'll show you how I did it. So I have a circuit breaker in the pantry that feeds a couple of those circuits. And so anyway, they go, these 200 amps. Okay, so they feed a breaker box under here. Okay, one side of the breaker box, other side of the breaker box, one and one, and then this one on each side. Okay, and this one goes to the add-on, which is the entire extension, which also includes this air handler, which is fine as long as we don't try to run the air conditioning. But I do want to run the thermostat because, as in previous videos, as you can see, it's not on. Okay, these lights are on because they're on a separate buried conduit circuit that goes to that nest right there. That's some of this original under here stuff, and the septic. The septic's on it too, so we're gonna run without the septic pump for a while. But anyway, successful. Small air conditioner, microwave oven at the same time as the air conditioner, which I was surprised. I want to have them both on startup. I'd start it up and then ease them in. And so anyway, I just rigged this for a second. I know what you're thinking. But I have two 110 outlets. There's a twist lock. But I was like, because they're each on their own circuit according to the wiring diagram. So anyway, that's 3500. I don't know what its peak amps are, but it did it. So next time we got a freeze out. Yeah, it just says 3500. So I'm gonna go with it can do continuous 3500. It probably does peak higher than that. So anyway, signing off. Plug for Grego. Actually, tie in. Okay, this extension cord, super heavy duty. I actually got that from Lake June scrap. A guy was scrapping. I said, hey, how much you want for that? He said, 20 bucks. So anyway, this is, of course, a dryer cable. Under that sock is a 3-prong dryer cable. And for obvious reasons, I don't want to touch live terminals. But either way, you can plug it into a dryer or whatever. But that outlet's for my welder. So my welder plugs into that. So I'm going to get a welder plug to plug in here to tie to these two already wires. And so anyway, by doing that, the 220, I backfeed to this circuit breaker box, which feeds the whole garage. Okay, so now those are all on 20 amps. Okay, they're all 20 amps. So anyway, backfeed that to those 200 amps, and thereby, by turning those 200 amp circuits off, as you can see they're off, I'm disconnected from the grid without having to have a main. So that's how that works. This ladder's up because I'm working on gonna build a carport. So anyway, so I know a lot of you are gonna be like, oh no, don't do that, don't do this, whatever. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So anyway, signing off.